Okay. So we are learning tables, correct?
Yeah, yes, yes.
All right. Okay. So have you done earlier practical? Nitya, have you done?
Yes, sir.
Can you show here if you have done anything?
Sir, my internet is quite low, so I can't share today.
Okay. Sina sir, can you share
Yeah,
something?
yeah, of course.
Okay. Yeah. Now you can share. Share your screen and show me your work.
Just a moment, sir. Can you see me?
No, I can't share. I can't see your screen. Yes, I can see now. Table and coach. Okay. Sina sir, you don't have to give any spacing to the name. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, all right. This is good. This is good. Wow. Great work.
So this is I have done it. Here we
Yeah.
have I have used the color span and here is the row span.
Sure, sir. Just a minute. Okay. Yeah. Tell me.
So here I have used the color span, sir. Current time.
Yeah. Correct.
And
Correct.
here
Wow.
there and
You are.
here I have
You
used
are.
this
Yeah.
row
You are
span.
doing good. You are doing good. You are doing good. Great work. Great work. Yeah. So you have to give, you don't have to give the spacing to the folder name or file name. Okay. Just give a
Okay.
hyphen into the name. Okay. So if you want to
Okay.
write the name, suppose table space learncoach.html. So you should have to write table hyphen learncoach.com and U is not in learncoach. Okay.
Okay. Right. I'll check.
Okay. So you have to
Right.
save your file name as a table hyphen learncoach.html. Okay.
Okay, sir. I'll take care.
Okay. Yeah, sure, sure. Okay. So we will revise once the table and then we will go ahead with the next chapter. Okay.
Right, sir.
Alright. Yeah. Okay. Just stop your screen and mute yourself. I will share my screen then.
Right.
All right. Okay. I will create a assessment, small assessment for you, for both of you. Okay. Just a minute. I will. Can you? Okay. So just a minute. I will. Yeah. I will. I have stopped your screen. Now I'm sharing my screen. Just see. Okay. Yeah. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. So now we are learning here. Create table structure by table. Okay. Create HTML structure by table. Okay. So now we are learning here about the table. Okay. So I have just explained how the table works. Okay. Now we will learn here about the table and things. Okay. So first of all, we have learned the TD and TR tag. What is the use of the TD? What is the use of TD in this table? Can you tell me?
You have to feed the data, sir.
Nitya, can you tell me? Yes, to fill the data. Correct. Now, what is the use of TH? Nitya, can you tell me? Nitya, can you tell me what is the use of th tag? Yes, sir. Sina sir, can you tell me what is the use of th tag?
For heading, sir. For
Perfect.
heading, to feed the
Okay.
heading.
And what is the use of call spacing and cell padding? Sorry, sales padding and cell spacing. What is the use of cell spacing and cell padding?
Cell spacing is used for giving the space to the cell.
Not call cell. You can say giving space to the out of the box. Okay, in the table.
Okay. Right.
And and cell padding is the to giving the spacing into the data table. Okay, inside the
Oh,
data table, inside the box. Okay.
right.
All right. Okay. So, what is the use of call span and row span? Can you tell me? Sina sir, can you tell me?
Yeah,
Nitya,
to merge
you don't
the
know
cell.
about the yeah. Nitya, do you don't know about the table?
Sir, at that time I was not able to unmute. Something was wrong with my laptop.
Okay. So, have you connected with the laptop or mobile?
Lap.
Okay. So, is there any network issue or something?
Yes, the network is.
Okay. All right. Okay. So this is all about the. Okay, Nitya, can you tell me? Do you know what is the call span? What is the row span?
Call span is used to merge to one or two or more columns.
Correct. And what is the use of row span?
Merge to more rows.
Right. Correct. So we have learned the tables here. Okay. So just go to the tables here. No, it is not. Okay. So I will show you some examples here. Yeah. Can you see? Can you see this table? There are
Yeah.
two rows combined here and three columns are combined here. Correct? Now this is all about the table. Okay. Now this is all about the table here. Now I will go with the next topic. Okay. Yeah. Tables background. So if you want to give a background color, you can set the background color attribute BG color. Okay. So I will write a BG color here equals to suppose 000 FF. So this is the blue color. Okay, correct. If suppose I have to give a different, not a color, I have to give a image as a background. Then I will what I will give attribute. I will write a attribute. Okay, background. For giving color, you can have to write BG color attribute. Okay, so just a minute. And okay, this is all about the background link. Okay, now I will yes. Okay, so now I have to give a background image, not a background color. Okay, this is my background equals to yeah. Now I will remove this bg color. Okay, and save it. Yeah, can you see? Can you see this background? This is your background image, okay? And this is your color. Suppose I have to give color, then I will write a internal CSS by using style tag table color. Yes. Can you see? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So this is all about the you have to give a background image. Suppose I don't have to give background image, then I will write a BG color. Okay, BG color is for background color. Suppose equal to, uh, yeah. Can you see? This is all. Now suppose I have to give a border 0. Yeah, this is my border 0. Now it is totally removed. The border removed for total. Okay. Now suppose I need to border collapse. Then I will have a only single border, not left. If suppose I comment this border collapse, then it will give another borders to the particular TDs. If suppose I don't want double borders, then I will add a border collapse CSS, and only the single border will see. Okay. Now you have to give a color as a background. You have to give image as a background also by using BG color and background attribute. Okay. This is all about the BG color and background. Okay. Now you have to give a border color green. You can give a border color also. Okay. By setting up the here border color green. Okay. Now I will save this. So the border color is green. Can you see the border color is now green? See the border color is green now. Okay. This is all about the border color, BG color background. Okay. That's it. Okay. Simple. Understand? Nita,
Yeah.
understand? Sir, understand?
Sir, what is the difference between BG color and background?
The difference is BG color is for to give the color of the background. Okay. Now, if you don't want to give a color, you want only image as a background, then you can write a background attribute. Okay. Read the content this, you will get the answer. Okay. BG color attribute, you can set background color for whole table or just for one cell. Background is attribute, you can set background image for whole table or just one cell. That's it. Okay. You can also set border color also using border color attribute. Okay, you can set a border color as an attribute. This is your border color attribute. That's it. Okay. Okay. So this is all about the BG color, background, and border color. Nitya, understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any question, Nitya?
No, sir.
All right. Okay. So this is all about the rows, colors, constant, and all. Okay. Now you have to set your table width and height. Okay. So you can set your table width and height also. How you can set your table width and height? By using attribute width equal to 400, height equal to 150. Okay. So I will just copy this attribute and show here. Okay. Suppose this is my column. So I will set a table height and width attribute. Okay. Yes. So this is my width is 400 and height is 150. See, the width is increased. Can you see? So if suppose I have write a 200, the width is 200 now. Can you see? We can increase that height also by using 200. Yeah. Now I have to write this as a 400. Okay, understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is all about the width and height. Okay. Next topic is how can you give a caption to the table. Okay. This is very simple. Caption is used for the title name of the table. Okay. This is your caption. I will copy this caption and just paste here this caption. You can see the caption here also. Okay. Now, but this we can't use. Okay. So suppose this is a table. Suppose I have to give something different to the caption. So I will write a CSS for the caption color equals to suppose black. I will just save it. This is a caption. Can you see? So this is all about the caption. Okay. Okay. Now you have to give a different table header, body, and footer. Okay. How can you give a table header, body, and footer? Okay. This is all about the how the body, footer, and t head. Okay. T head is create a separate table header, T body to indicate the main body of the table, and T foot to create a separate table footer. Okay. Now you have to give a different layout. Like you have to give a table header, you have to give a special body, you have to give a special footer. Then you have to write these tags. Okay. So I will just give a small demo here. So I'm giving a table header, table footer, and table body, but table body is the middle part. Okay. So table body is the middle part. So I will keep here in the middle. Okay. Yes. Can you see? This is your header. This is your body. This is your footer. Can you see this? So this is about the header. This is four are the columns, and these below are the footer. Okay. So very simple. You have to just combine the columns here. It becomes the header, and you have to combine all the four columns. It becomes the footer. Okay. Now you have to create a nested table. So nested tables means, do you know nesting tags? Sina sir, Nitya, do you know nesting tags? Sina sir, you can unmute yourself. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Do you know nesting tags?
Yes, sir.
Nitya, do you
Nesting
know
tag is.
nesting tags?
Hello.
Yes, I can hear.
Sir, we had used a nesting tag at listing, sir.
Why? Sorry.
To create the list within list, we had to use the nesting.
To create a list within list. No, I'm not asking nesting list. I'm asking nesting tag. Do you know nesting tag?
No, not sir.
See, nesting tag means tag inside the tag. It
Yeah.
becomes a nesting tag. Okay.
Mm.
So tag inside the tag, it means that a tag which is inside the another tag, it means a nesting tag. Can you tell me any nesting tag here? Can you tell me any nesting tag here? Nitya, any nesting tag here? Can you tell me? So can I say head tag is a nesting tag of the HTML?
Yeah, it
Can
can
I
be.
say?
Yeah.
Can I say title tag
Yes.
is a nesting tag inside the head tag? Right? Can I say title tag is a nesting tag because it is inside the header tag?
Sir.
Sorry, Nitya, I can't hear you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct. Okay, so yeah, so nesting tag is like next also nesting tag is like a nesting tag. Okay, so it means that a table is inside the table. Okay, so I will show you one demo. Okay, so we need a nesting table inside the cell 4 tag, inside the cell 4. Okay, so what will I do? I will just go to the cell 4 TD, then I will insert the table inside the TD. Okay, this is my table. Yes, this is my table. Okay, okay, so this is my table. Yes, can you see this name, salary, Ramesh Raman, Sabir Hussain? So these have the table inside the table. This is the full table, and this table is inside the small table. It means that it is a nesting table. Okay, so this is all about the nesting table. Okay, so now we will learn about the next. Yeah, so this is all about the your table tag. Now table is completed here. Okay, any question? Any question, Nitya? Any question, Tina sir?
No, sir.
Okay, Nitya, any question from your side?
No, sir.
All right. So I'm assuming that you understood. Okay. Now this is all about the table. Okay. We will learn the next topic. What is next topic is next topic is HTML forms. Okay. So HTML forms. Do you know what is the use of the form? What is forms? Can anyone tell me what is forms? What is the meaning of the
This
form? What is the use of the forms?
this is used for taking the input from a user like that.
Yes, correct, correct. So uh, we will get the feedback from the user. Okay, okay. So we get the feedback from the user. So you have to take a feedback from the user. So you have to create a one form. Okay. Suppose there is an event. Okay, there has been event happened in your society or something, or you have taken a class or any demo session. Okay, then we will collect the feedback from the users. Then how you will like collect feedback from the user? By using the form, by creating the form, correct? Right, Sina sir? Right, Nitya? Nitya, you
Yes, sir.
suppose you have to create a form, right? Suppose you have to take a feedback from the user or users or someone. So you have to create a one form only, correct? Okay,
Yes, sir.
so right. So how we will create a HTML forms here? By using the HTML, we will create a form. Okay, so there are different text fields also, different password fields also. Take checkbox has form having the checkbox, radio button, submit button, password, text field also. All right. So you can user can input their name, right? User can input their name also, name, email ID, password, mobile number, right, and so on. So user can have the special features to that form. Okay, so user have the open for the all fields. So user can submit the data to the admin, correct? So how can you create a form? Okay, so by using form tag, you can create a form. Okay, so this is all about the form. So I will just copy here the form and just paste here. Okay, and yeah, this is my form. Okay, so this is my form tag. Okay, this is my form tag, this is my action attribute, this is my method attribute. Okay, so what is these we will learn here. Okay, the common attributes are action, method, target, end type. Okay, so what is the meaning of action here? Action means that if when you submit your form, okay, suppose this is the page. Okay, this is your page. Suppose my page is this. Okay, and I'm having the one form on that page. Okay, I will show you. Okay, wait a minute, my internet is slow here. Okay, yeah, so this is the form. Okay, so can you see the first name, last name? Can you see the fields? Different fields are there. Can you see the email, mobile number, applying for the position? These are the, what is it? These are the drop down list. These are the or select option list. Okay, so you can what you can just select and apply any options in this list. Okay, and this is about the location. Location Mumbai, Mumbai, Pune, Solapur, Delhi, Bangalore, and all. This is all about the location. And this is all about the upload your CV. It means that you have to upload a file, upload a document file or PDF file. Understood? Clear? Any doubt? Lisa, any doubt? Sir, any doubt
No,
in the
sir.
form? Sorry?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Sir, any doubt for now? We have to create a small form for the website. How do we create this? How we create this? We will create like a this. Okay, we will create like this. Now these are the actions. Suppose I am I'm on this page and my data is submitted. When I click on this submit button, my data will update on the website. Okay, but there is no data here, so I will get the errors. Okay, so these are the validations. This is called a validation. You will get the validations on the form. Okay, now you have to just take a like attribute action. Action means backend script ready to process your past data. Okay, it means that whatever you submit the data here, when you submit this, you when you click or hit that submit button, your data will pass. Okay, your data will pass to the backend. Okay, then your data will submit to the database. Okay, now second is method. Method means that there are two types of method: get method and post method. Okay, get get method means you have to get the data when form will submit. Okay, and post met post method means when user submit the form, the data will submit to database. Okay, that's it. There is a small difference. That's it. Okay, and what is the meaning of target? Target means, do you know target? Have we learned the target? Hello, have we learned target? Hello, can you hear me? Nitya,
Hello.
can you hear me? Tina, sir, can you tell me where we learn the
Yes.
target attribute?
Target attribute actually we had done in the I don't remember, but
Where we
we
learn?
had done it, sir. We had done it.
Uh-huh. Okay, have we learned in the anchor tag equal to target something?
Yes, it was in anchor. Yes, yes.
Yeah, target equal to blank. You have to open the new link to the new tab. So what we will use? Target attribute, correct?
Right.
Okay. End type means encoded type. It means that when when the form is submitted, this is the field. So this it means that you have to select the file. Okay, you have to select the file, any file, PDF file, document file, and so on. That's it. So you have to submit only two types of form: PDF, sorry, two types of uh, files: PDF file or document file. Okay, and this has the some limited. Okay, suppose I have the limit of 5 MB to upload the file. So this is the PDF or Word file having the some limitation, right? So limitation is important for the uploading a file, because anyone or any user can upload maximum file, maximum size of the file. Okay, suppose there is some limit of 5 MB, user can't upload greater than 5 MB file. Okay, else user can upload 100, 500 MB file. So it will, the server will take too much time to load and upload. Okay, so this is all about the encoding. We will learn here later. Okay, now HTML form controls, text input controls, how the text input controls, how the checkbox control, how the radio box control, what is the use of select box control, what is the use of file select boxes, what is the use of hidden controls, what is the use of clickable button, what is the use of submit and reset button and all. Okay, so now you have to use these input controls. Okay, these are the input controls. Okay, so you have to write the, you have to know about the every input control. Okay, so this is a single line text input control, which means that this control is used for items that require only one line of text user input. Okay, such as search boxes or names. They are created using HTML input type. It means that this field having the, this field having the one line text. Okay, so Nita, do you know how much is the limit of the name, or maybe you can say anyone in this in like have anyone the name more than 12 words or 15 words? So we don't have any person whose name is more than the 15 or 20 words. Okay, not much more than the 15 words. Okay, less than 15 words we have the name. Okay, okay, so we have the less number of characters in the name. Okay, so suppose we have 15 characters in the name, so we will just write the name here. Okay, so this is a one line text input control, and this is also one line text input control, and this is the email field. Email field means you can only submit the emails, not anything. So I will suppose write any name, suppose here, and just submit the, click on the submit button. It will show the some error that it says the email address is invalid. Okay, this is not a valid email. Understand? Clear? Nitya, are you getting my
Yeah.
point? Sinna sir,
Yeah, yeah.
right?
Yes, sir.
you have to write one line of text, one line of input control, and this is all about the mobile. Mobile means if you can't type a character here, you can type only the mobile number or number.
Numbers, yeah.
That's it. Yeah, this is a drop down list. It means that this is a select box option control. It means that you have to write a drop down list whichever the position is open. Okay, by using select. So this is all about the text input control. This is all about. So I am making a phone. Suppose name and contact number. Okay. So I will show here name and contact number here. Yes. Yeah. Can you see? There is a name. There is a contact number. Okay. So I can write the data also. Okay. So this is all about the form where you get the where you can set the name and contact number. That's it. Okay. Now suppose we can type here also name Akash. You can also type here the number also. Okay, you can type as a number also. You can type also a character also, but we don't want character. You can type the tell in form. Okay, you can just type tell. Okay, so you can't, sorry, you can't. So this is the text. Okay, and you can type your name. You can type here the mobile number. Okay, so if suppose you don't want name and contact number as a in front of input field, just you can replace that by using placeholder. Okay, you can write a placeholder equals to
Name. Hello.
yes, correct. Enter the name. Enter the name. Okay, enter the name. Okay, this is the placeholder. Suppose I will keep a placeholder in a p tag. Okay, I will keep a input field into the p tag. Then input p tag. Then it will not. Now there is some spacing. Okay. Now I will add a placeholder also in a input field. Okay. Enter the mobile number. Okay. Yes. This is my mobile number. Okay. I can write a text also. You have to write a number. Okay. Yes. You have to. You can't write any text. Okay. You can only type a number here. You can't write the text also. Okay. This in this field you can write only the mobile number, not a single character. Okay.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So this is all about the. Okay. So now, mm, what is the attributes used in the input tag? Type means, can you see this type? You have to use the text. You have to use the text. So you have to write a input type equal to text. If you have to write a number in this field, you can have to write the type equal to number. That's it. Okay. Now the common fields are name, placeholder. That's it. And max length is not needed. Okay. If you have to give a restriction related to the max length and all, you can write max length or minimum length. Okay. This is the input tag, which is a empty tag. Okay. And form tag is a container tag. Okay. And input tag is a empty tag. Okay. So we will write a input tag as a first field and input tag another field. Okay. This is the number field and this is the text field. You can write any text in this field. You can't write any text in this field. You can have to write number in this field. Okay, clear? So you have to these values also. Okay, what is the meaning of value? Suppose I have to write some value by default. Okay, so I will write value equals to, suppose I have to write some number. Okay, I have to write some number in this field. Okay, so I will just write a value equals to 10 and save. So there is a by default 10 value assigned to that field. Okay, if suppose I don't want to edit this field, I will, what I will write here, this disabled. Now I can't write anything in this field. It is freeze. Okay, my field and my input number field is freeze. Okay, you can you relate the example of theaters? When you just book the picture of an in any theater, you will you have seen the some seats which are reserved. Have you seen? Nitya, have you seen? Sina sir, have you seen?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So if I see, I will show you a small example. Movie theater online booking seats. Okay. Now see, I'm saying yes. So this is the this is best example, right? See, this is the best example. Okay. So these are the available seats. See, this is available seat. This is unavailable. It means this is booked. It means these seats are freeze. So by using this attribute which disabled, if you write a disable attribute into the tag, you can't edit this field. Okay, if I remove this, you can now edit. If I can now edit here anything number. Okay, and this is done. Okay, so this is all about the value. Size is like a width of the text input control. It means that if I want small width of that enter the name, what I will write, width equals to 100 or 20. Yeah, width equals to, or you can say, or I can just uh, it means size means sorry, we are not mentioning width here, we are mentioning size. It means that allow to specify the width of the text input controller in terms of characters. Okay, now I will show here. Yes, now any character I can write, any character inside the text. Okay, now yeah, can you see the size is 10? If suppose I write a size 5, the word is less than, you can write only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but the less character you can see. Okay, this is all about the size. You can reduce the size. If you don't want to reduce the file size, just remove the size attribute. That's it. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is all about the form. Okay, and what about the password input control? It means that you have to. This is your field. Suppose. Okay, so I have to write the password in this field. Okay, so I will just copy and just paste here. Okay, so I will write a p tag also here and write the p tag inside the this input control. Okay, now I will write a p tag here. Now I will write a input control here. Okay, I will write it. I will change the type equals to password. Okay, I will write the enter the password. Okay, you can change the first name, last name, and password. Okay, password you can change the name also. Huh? So name is a big thing. Okay, here is the number. So I will write a number. So enter the password. Suppose I am writing any element, any word here. You can't see because of there is some attribute here. Which type of attribute? Password type attribute. So you can't see the password here. Okay, clear है? Nitya,
Yeah.
clear? Tina sir,
Yes,
clear?
sir.
So if suppose I don't want the maximum length. I want to keep a maximum length in password field. Okay, so you can just write a max length equals to 8. Suppose then I will write here max length equals to suppose 5. Okay, so max length equals to 5. So I will just write a 5 password. Okay, this is the limit. Okay, I can't write any password more than 5. Okay, suppose I just write 10 max length. You can write the 10 password field. That's it. Now I can't edit. Okay, so this is all about the field. Okay, now what is these are the attributes. Okay, please read the content, then you will get the answer. Okay, now what is multi-line text input controls? It means that you have to write more than one sentence. Okay, more words you have to write. Okay, so what I will use here, I will use here the call and rows. Okay, I will use here the calls and rows here. Okay, so this is the text area. Text area is a container tag. Okay, so I will write here the key tag. This is your text area. Okay, so I will write there is a 5 rows and 50 columns should into the text area. Okay, now I will save this. Your text area will be like this. Okay, now you can enter anything. This is your text area. Okay, so suppose you want to resize it, just write the attribute size equals to 20. Yes, or you can just having reduce the column 20. Yeah, now it will the text area is reduced. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
This is all about the text area. Okay, now we will learn in the next lecture ab- about the checkboxes, radio buttons, and all. Okay, till then, read this content. Okay, clear? Tina, sir, clear? Nitya, clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. So, Nitya, next time you should have the good internet connection. You should have the laptop on in front of you and show me the your work so that I can uh, arrange the assignment for you. I can give the update to the Manish sir that you have doing good. You are doing good. Okay. Sinha sir is doing good. You have seen already. They are showing work. Okay. So Nitya, you should do the work and show me your work. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. So this is all about the table. Sorry, table and forms here. Okay. So next time